Hello and welcome. This is Safa. In this video, we are going to explore the basic signals in MATLAB: step, impulse, sine, and square. These signals are the foundation of many analysis in control and signal processing. Let's start with the step signal. It remains 0 before time 0 and becomes 1 afterwards. Okay, time index, step signal, title, and run. As you can see. Next up, the impulse signal. It is 0 everywhere except at n equals 0, where it equals 1. And run. One of the most important signals is the sine wave. It is the basis of many system analysis: time vector, sine wave, and title. Okay, run, and you can see. Okay, finally, the square wave, which alternates between 1 and -1. MATLAB can generate it using the square function. And you can see that. These four signals, step, impulse, sine, and square, are the foundation for many concepts in signal processing. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this was useful.